Want your text animations to look like this? Here's how to do it in under a minute. First, select your text layer and add an animator. We will use opacity, and for the same animator, also select a tracking. Create a first keyframe for opacity, set it to 0. Go to the second 2 in the timeline and add next opacity keyframe. Set it to 100. For tracking amount, create first keyframe and set it to 40. For the second keyframe, set it to 0. Now open Range Selector, Advanced, and make sure your animator is based on characters. Go to Timeline and select all keyframes. Right-click and select Keyframe Assistant and Easy Ease. Go to Graph Editor through this icon. Select keyframes and move a graph like this. And you are done! You are ready for rendering your beautiful text animation.